I want to talk to you about hormone therapy. Hormones regulate our moods and our behaviors. I know many people struggle with hormone imbalances. I've also had hormone struggles. It's very frustrating. But what I've learned through my research is there's actually a hierarchy of hormones. Do you know what the most powerful hormone in the entire body is? It's cortisol. Our cortisol is made in our adrenal glands. We have two pea-sized adrenal glands that sit above our kidneys, and their function is to handle all the stress in our lives. Now, do you have stress in your life? I know I have stress in mine, and that stress depletes that cortisol from our adrenal glands. I like to think about the adrenal glands like our gas tank. We want to have a full tank of gas to handle our stress and also give us energy to carry us throughout the day. The next most powerful hormone is insulin. Now, insulin can counteract with cortisol and also is very intimately involved with all of our food choices. The next group of hormones are our sex hormones, our estrogen, our progesterone, and testosterone. Did you know there are over 400 functions to estrogen in our bodies? The most common functions include helping our metabolism, improving our memory, and helping us to sleep. Common things that we experience when we have an imbalance in our sex hormones are fatigue. It is an overall sense of decreased well-being. And the last hormone I want to talk about is our thyroid hormone. Remember I just mentioned cortisol, adrenal glands as our gas tank? Your thyroid is like your accelerator. We want to press on that accelerator to make us go. But a lot of times we press down and nothing happens. So commonly we'll increase our thyroid medication, we'll take more supplements, but nothing really changes. And nothing's really changing because there's no gas in your gas tank and your sex hormones are unbalanced. So I invite you to come visit us at AustinMD. Sit down with us and let us check your hormones. If you have any imbalanced hormones, we will create a custom plan for you using bioidentical hormones that closely match the structures of your body. We know that each person is uniquely different. So we offer different types of hormones. We have creams, we have oral, and we also offer hormone pellets. So if you are unsure whether you have imbalanced hormones or you already have imbalanced hormones and you just don't feel like something's right, call us at AustinMD and allow us to help you with your hormones.